What we're going to do now is just sort of combine the breathing technique with a relaxation technique, and we're going to meditate together, okay? So you get comfortable in your chair now. Don't ever do this when you're driving, by the way. Okay, so get comfortable in your chair. Your back straight, your chin open. Remember what we did with our arms before? I can see both hands there. Close your eyes. Just to give you a feeling of the being centered in the center. And in your own time, breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and breathe out for a count of 4. I want you to do this for a few minutes before I take you on to an even deeper relaxation. Keep your attention on the counting. When you're ready now, just stay still and gently open your eyes. So what I want you to do at home in the future is carry on doing the counting, and then I want you to breathe like this. Now watch what I'm going to do. As you get more still and stiller and stiller, let go of the counting. You don't need to breathe. I'm going to demonstrate with my hand now just how slow my breath becomes. So I'm breathing in. Breathing out. In. Out. I want you to close your eyes and sit in your stillness. And just notice, put your attention on your breathing. And breathe just enough to keep your body alive. That's all you need. Just in. Out. In. Out. Notice, just keep your attention on your breathing. gently in, out, in, out. Now some people say, do I need to breathe through my nose or my mouth? If you can, breathe through your nose, breathing in, and breathe out through your mouth. But actually, don't get hung up about it. Just do whatever you feel. Breathing in. Breathing out. Notice your stillness growing. Don't go daydreaming. Just keep your attention on the slow breathing in. And breathing out. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Okay. Now as we're doing these videos, I'm sort of going through it at quite a pace. But what I would recommend you do, if you can, sit down to relax. Start off with the 4-4-4 for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes. And then go on to the very gentle breathing. So in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. And then be still. You'll notice how you start to feel so much better. Okay. I have some very powerful meditation techniques to share with you as we go along. But for right now, these are emotional first aid techniques. And once you've learnt these, you can share them with your friends and family. Okay? I look forward to seeing you on the next video.